Come with me on a day in the life as a freelancer. Makatry po. So, first stop, we're going to the bank. And we're here. Dollar account paid, that's a success. Next, we need to go to the mall. Kinig nyo ba yung announcement ng sirena ng provincial? Capitolio. Ganun lang siya. Every 12 noon yun. We're almost there. First stop, food. Kailangan namin kumain. And we're here. That's a success. Next, we're getting our nails done. And mapapafoods pa rin si Popski. Magpapagupit din pala siya. Ayaw ko din pala magpapagupit na. Drop by at bench. Need to buy pabango. That's a success. I wanna buy some frozen yogurt. We're here. That's a success. And we're now on our way to Fresh Air to get haircut and manicure. We're here. So that was not a success. Wala si Ate Shi. And may gawa rin si Ate May. So balik na lang kami tomorrow. What's next? Yeah. So, mag-ikot muna kami dito sa SM habang inuubos ko yung yogurt ko kasi hindi kami makakapasok sa supermarket. We need to shop for some food and we're here. Baby, baka may embutido. While waiting sa pila ng grocery, bili muna natin ng takeout si Kuya Charles. We're here. That's a success. Teka, baka na. Okay, there you go. Akala ko may iwan tayo ni Popski. Ako pa naman magbabayad ng grocery. Abot pa naman. He's there. Hi, love. Also, I just realized, bet ko ang bagong aesthetics ngayon ng SM, ha? Hindi na chipanga. That was a success. Could have been good enough. I'm a little bit rusty and nothing. Anyway, that is it for today's vlog. We're on our way home. I will be cleaning the house. Popski's gonna sleep. And tomorrow is another day. Hindi pa pala. Bibili pa pala kami ng pampatak ng aso. So, let's go. That was a success and we are finally home.